Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a pigeon. It also looks a lot like a dove. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. Then we will valley fold in half along the diagonal, so I'll bring the right corner over to meet the left corner. Make sure both those corners line up here. And then crease all the way across, and then unfold. Next I'm going to bring the top corner down to meet the bottom corner. And then crease that down from corner to corner. Next we're going to valley fold one of these flaps up, and the valley fold is going to be 1/3 from the top, 2/3 from the bottom. It doesn't have to be perfect, so just fold that up until it looks like you're folding thirds. So this side that's above this line should be equal to the side that's below that line. So this distance should equal this distance. Just get as close as you can and then crease that down. Then once you've done that, we're going to valley fold the whole model in half along this crease line. Then we'll rotate the model. Then we're going to valley fold upwards, starting from this point right here. And the valley fold is going to go straight across, just perpendicular to this line here. So start the valley fold right there, and then just make sure this edge lines up with the edge beneath it. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, so I'll turn the model over and then fold this flap up. It should line up with the edge on the bottom, and crease that down. Next we're going to inside reverse fold over here. I'm going to do a pre-creasing step first. So I'm going to valley fold. It's going to be starting right from where all these points meet over here, and this edge is going to lie right along this edge here where the color changes. I'll show you that closer. Then we're going to unfold that, and we're going to turn that into an inside reverse fold. So to do that, we're going to separate these two layers apart from each other, and then this point is going to go down inside the model. So if we look at it from the inside, this crease right here is going to remain a valley fold, and then this one is going to reverse its direction, so it's going to change from a mountain into a valley, and this whole crease going up is going to change into a mountain fold as well. I'm going to just start folding, starting with this valley fold that we already have since it's going the right direction. Then we're going to change this into a mountain fold. And then switch this back to a valley fold here. And then we'll close it up and crease it all down firmly. Then I'm going to unfold that and show you one more time how that worked quickly. Hopefully that can just clarify what's happening there. Next we're going to do an inside reverse fold on this side. And it's going to start right from this point here. I'm going to pre-crease first as a valley fold. This one is done to taste. It's just forming the beak. So you can choose how much you'd like to fold it down. It should be about right here. Then I'll unfold that and turn this one into an inside reverse fold. Just like we did on the other side, we'll open those layers apart, swing it down, and reverse a couple of those creases and close it back up. Then there we have it. That is our pigeon. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. There will be a lot more tutorials in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.